Welcome to another vlog. Today we're going to Decahoms, Mintao. I'm with my niece. What's your name?
Leah.
Leah. Secret. Who's with you?
Banana. Banana friend.
You love your banana? Huh?
My banana.
Yes, I do.
I'm gonna turn into a banana too.
Banana ko
I will
mama.
be friends.
Hi, pud ma. Wala ngipon. Hindi siya mag-hi kay way ngipon. Humangho.
Ako ligo.
Hi, Jin.
Hi, let's saka masitbelt para magkapat na ligo.
Tomorrow is Lola Cora's
Birthday.
and Tito JR's
Graduate.
graduation. Magbantay mi kay Lolo Jack, kay si Lola Telma mag-attend sa graduation ni Tito JR, and Tita Joy will be what?
I don't
Will
know.
be in charge in the kitchen.
To cook
I'm
some.
going to cook some things.
Wala sense.
What?
I don't know.
We're now at the diversion road. But first, we need to buy ingredients for the food.
Oh, Christmas light, you missed
Christmas
it.
light. I missed that. Sorry.
Dito ganyan ang ano.
And then, ano sa man?
Anong
Transition?
lili ka na isa. Ang isa ba?
Ano sa? Storya pa.
Bid ka na mag
Sige, kaya mo yan.
Ano mag-bid ba?
Kasi mag-vid.
Mag-video na lang ka. Kanang nga ba nagadagan sa tangan?
Transition lagi. Ano tawag na?
Montage.
Montage.
So,
So, we're heading now to the...
wait, are we going?
Mali man niya akong pagunit sa... Dapat man jud daw ana.
Huh? Yeah. Me.
See you later.
Uy, mo man gikuan, gibalon.
Wala niya kay nag-bye-bye na gani siya.
Ay. So, see you there at Decahoms, Mintal. Then we are going to the market or mall. Because
Market.
we're going to buy...
Grocery. Supermarket.
What do we buy?
Ingredients.
Ingredients for
Desserts.
the desserts or foods. Okay, see you later. Bye.
Bye, banana.
Bye, bananas. See you later. Alligator.
Alligator.
Bye. Hi guys! We're finally here sa balay sa kong auntie. Nga unta.
This how? Here is some paper and the sand. So let's just sand. Whoa. Actually, guys, this is pretty. This is pretty cool, guys. It's not slime, but it's sand. Super. It's super duper worth it if you can stop.
Kung pwede lang, sana po. Kung pwede lang, ayan pa ang kubitan. Dili lang, ito sa
What are you
Pilipinas.
doing?
Plain.
Ay, ito sa Pilipinas.
This is the base.
Sige,
Wait, you know what, guys? I think I'm gonna make my toe spot. Kinetic sand. We're gonna make a kinetic sand in like this kind of toast. Yeah, it's the same color, but this one's kind of dark. It has the light on
like
there,
mo, yun na yung kalaban ko.
and I think we need something. So I'm gonna put my creation, and it's really pretty. But for now, it's round 2. Pinay.
Oh, we're still alive! Oh my God!
Again?
We're still alive, guys! Okay, guys, we are going to the market. Okay, guys, padulong may ugmol. Magpait may ingredients para sa akong mga lutoon na dessert. Kawan ako akong auntie, akong mango, dug akong niece. So, let's go! Okay, mulakaw na mi, guys! Uy, ang akong panyo, nabalaw! Kato pa ning pagpangakot sa bukid. Oh! Saan na, ah? Try, ma! Okay, so we're finally here at Gaisano. Turil na diri, no? What are you doing? No! Okay, we're finally here inside the Gaisano Mall, Turil. Sana? Raisins? Oh! Mag-fruit salad ta? Oh! Sige. Chocolate. Kani oh! Super thick! So, isa lang siya ka-flavor. Try na lang. 2 in 1. Oh, gusto ko ano mo try.
Ano na kaya? 799.
Oh, Jesus!
Sabi na, mahal kayo. May pakipalit na lang na ito ng slime daghan. Ha? Mag-drawing nga lang ka sa computer.
Gusto niya mo kabe? Ha? Ha? Magkano ba? Ano mo? Ano sa lola?
Manilak. Nag-iyak ka? Ha? Ay, pag-iyak.
799. Mag-listen na dyan na
Si Lola lang ang mag-iyak. Dili ko. Okay.
Na!
We're going to Jollibee.
What can you say about the linog?
I would say I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
It's because it was super duper really kind of like shaking.
When the earthquakes comes in Davao, where are you?
I will just be outside.
Outside? What are you doing outside?
I'm just standing. I'm just gonna look if the earthquake will be done.
Oh,
And
okay.
then when it's done, I go back to my house.
Did you cry?
No.
Why?
100% not.
Really? Where are you now?
I'm here in Singapore.
Singapore Jollibee.
Okay, we're here at Jollibee. Rice and
Hindi magmukbang ba ito?
Hindi mukbang. Ulat na lang mi sa sa spaghetti na among order. Kulang na lang spaghetti. Okay guys, so nagulat mi kay Auntie Derike. Kaya ang ingon niya, magkita daw mi sa Jollibee pero wala man mi niya gisundo dito. So nidiretso mi sa parking lot. Wala man siya dito. So lot mi diri. Gisundo siya ni Ajin akong manghod. Dali na. Ngiti sagot be. Okay, pauli na mi guys. Pauli na mi. Muna niya mong gipamalit. Say hi.
Hi.
Car.
They told me to hold the camera so because they have to
Ito ba natin?
get all of these stuffs in the car. So I'm just gonna walk to the car. Okay. I'm going inside, guys.
Ikaw na lang ni. Ikaw na lang ni.
Oh.
Lagi, magulan lagi.
Let's go.
Ibugat kayo.
Sibog dito, sibog. Sibog pa. Sibog pa kayo para masulot na na.
Ay, anak. Ah.
Okay.
Ayaw, pangarap sa bugat. Di ka kaya. Kurang.
So I got jelly.
Punta lang ko ba sa loob?
Sa salog. Ay. Where's
Punta nga si auntie. Sa loob na lang ako.
Ibutang sa
Unsang rasong gidako ko sa Ginoo, hapit ko namatay.
Kulbaan ko. Hey, abot na mi.
Hello. Huh?
Sino ka storya be?
Wala.